So, dear students, thank you all for coming here. So, today we will talk about our living place, or our place, or our town, or city. So, I live in a big city, and the name of this city is Chattogram. Understand? It's a very big city, and the city is very crowded, and the city is very big, and my city is famous for so many reasons. Like one reason that is, this city is called commercial capital of Bangladesh. And there are a lot of industries are here. Many people across the country come here and they do some jobs. They live here. So it's very crowded. But though it is crowded, the natural scenario is also very beautiful. But I like most that the roads the roads are so many, the roads are spacious there, so that we can communicate from one place to another place very easily. And there are a lot of educational institutions, a lot of hospitals, so people can take treatment easily from there. And but the thing I don't like about my city is sometimes actually there are a lot of people live here. So especially in the evening, a lot of people come to the come out of their houses and they make the place very crowded. And if you walk in the evening, you feel very crowded. A lot of people, you will feel uncomfortable there. I said. And sometimes there are some places or roads, those are unhygienic, those are dirty. Okay, and there are dirt here and there. So I don't like this kind of dirt environment. So I would like to invite all of you to visit my city and to learn a lot of things about my city and just to get some pleasure from there. So thank you all. Okay, now. So just you have listened to my story. Understand? Now I will ask you about your story, about your living place, about your place, or about your town. Understand? So who will speak up first?
Today I will say about my village. My village name is Purbo Thanapara, East Thanapara.
Yes.
Dighinala. The district is Khagrachori.
Khagrachori, yes.
It is very small village. It is not crowded, and I love my village. The result is my village is wonderful. There is a natural beauty of my village.
Yeah, very good.
I'd like you visit my village.
Actually, what are the things you don't like about your village?
I don't like of my village is the political
Instability.
instabilities.
And after all, you like your village very much. So, what do you want to say to your friends about visiting your village?
I would like to visit my village.
Just you would like to invite your friends to visit your village. Why?
Because there is a natural beauty.
Okay, now I would like to invite another learner, Tanusri Bhattacharya.
Today I will say my village. The name of my village is Dighinala. It is. I live in Thanapara district. I live in Thanapara, Dighinala in Khagrachori. My village is so beautiful because it has natural beauty. I don't like political
Instability.
instability because
It, it destroys peacefulness of your area.
the name of my village is Govt. There are many people live here. My village is full of hills and natural beauties. I like the natural beauties of my village. And my village is famous for natural beauties and hills.
Okay, so what are the things you don't like about your place? Okay, Sijita wants to tell us that she doesn't like pollution. She doesn't like pollution in her place. Okay, then what is your suggestion to your friends for visiting your place? Start.
Hello everyone, my name is Pranatma. I live in a village and my village name is Miloni. There are many people live in our village. I love most about my village is natural beauty.
Yes.
There are many trees around our village. And I don't like about my village is the muddy road of rainy season.
Yes.
So I will like to invite my all of friends to go my village. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Shub.
I thought say about my village. I live in a small village. My village name is Khagrachori. It is a wonderful village. There are many people live. There are many people of my village. I like about my village and natural scenery.
Yes. And what are the things you don't like about your place?
I don't like about my village, pollution and political.
Instability.
Hello there. Today I say my village. My village name is Khagrachori near Faruque. It was very good place.
It is not.
It is a very good place.
My village is Dighinala, Khagrachori district. My village is very wonderful.
What are the things you like most about your village? What are the things you like most about your place? Natural beauty of your place you like.
My village is famous place. My village is
Famous for what? Your village is famous for what? For natural beauty. So you like natural beauty most. So what kind of people live here? What kind of people? Is there a lot of people live here? A lot of people actually, people from different community live in your place. Is it? Is it true? So what are the things you don't like about your place? And dishonest people. He doesn't like pollution and dishonest people. That's true. And now we will learn 10 words about a railway station. Okay? And I will speak aloud these 10 words. The first word is that wagon. What? Wagon. Wagon. Not agun. Then platform. Platform. Station master. Station master. You know a lot of things about the station master. So the station master means what? Station manager. Station manager. Station manager. Then you can say passenger. You can say what? Five. Ticket checker. Ticket checker, that is TC. Ticket checker means the man who checks passengers' ticket. Then number 6, ticket machine. Ticket machine. From where you can get your ticket in printed condition. Number 7 is passenger section. Passenger section. Now number 8, what I have discussed previously. Number 8 is what? Time travel. Can you remember another 2 words? Let's try to remember. Porter. Porter. You can say porter, and porter means what? Porter. P-O-R-T-E-R. Porter. Porter means what? Carrier. Terminal. Terminal. Another one is terminal. Terminal means the place around the railway station is called in whole matter, that is terminal means railway terminal.
station master,
Then,
ticket checker,
then,
ticket machine,
yes,
timetable,
yes,
terminal,
yes.
car,
Car, terminal means wagon. Wagon or cart. Wagon or cart. Then,
porter,
porter,
waiting room,
waiting room or passenger section. Thank you very much, Tanusi. Thank you. Wagon, then,
platform,
platform,
waiting room,
yes,
timetable,
timetable,
ticket inspector,
ticket checker or ticket inspector, ticket machine,
terminal,
terminal. Thank you, Sadia. Thank you. Now, Sijida, stand up and just share some words about railway station.
platform,
Yes,
station master,
very good.
ticket
Ticket checker,
checker, ticket machine,
ticket machine, passenger, yes,
oven,
wagon,
carrier, carrier,
timetable, yes,
passenger,
passenger, yes,
oven,
yes, 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 wagon,
platform,
platform,
passenger,
passenger,
master,
station master. Then, thank you, thank you.
platform, ticket checker,
Yes,
ticket machine,
yes,
computer,
commuter,
porter,
porter.
times,
Thank you.
woman,
Yes,
timetable,
yes,
waiting room,
yes,
ticket inspector,
yes,
terminal,
terminal,
um, card,
card,
platform, station master,
yes,
ticket machine, platform, terminal, timetable,
thank you.
wagon, platform, ticket checker, ticket machine, wagon, platform, terminal, ticket checker, ticket master, passenger, passenger section, porter, passenger, terminal, ticket master,
Ticket checker,
ticket checker, ticket machine,
yes,
Ticket master, ticket checker, wagon,
passenger,
yes, ye-
timetable,
yes.
passenger,
Again, passenger, passenger section. Then, ticket machine. Okay, sit down. You,
passenger,
section, passenger section, timetable,
ticket checker,
ticket checker.
ticket master. Today we have learned some words about train station, and we will talk about feelings of our place. Thank you.
Thank you. Clap for her.
Actually, Caesar has summarized our class very well mannered, and in this way, if we continue learning this way, and if we continue learning, we will build up a very good skill in English, and our fluency will be developed also. So my suggestion is to you that please, in your free time, practice with your friends, with your parents, and with the people around you in English. In this way, you will build up or you will develop your language skill. So thank you all. Thank you.